So I'm still on Mullvad, and I thought by myself, is there a application for my smartphone? I'm gonna install Android tools and a script that runs ArcoLinux Nemesis, github.com, Eric Dubois, ArcoLinux Nemesis. I'm gonna install all of this, and in the meantime I need to read it again. Plug in your device with a USB cable. Need to fetch myself a cable. Keep it awake at all times. Enable USB debugging. Where was it again? I found it here. Then start source copy network, and then that's it. Okay, so that's the link. Control Z, Control G, Control V. How do I get there? About phone, build number. You're now a developer. Developer options. Okay, a USB. Is it installed? It's installed. Let's pause. All right, I've got myself a USB cable. Plugging it into this thing. Opening up this. Settings. Got it. About phone. Battery information, legal status. I'm not gonna be here. About phone. Voila, let's go over all the steps. It's sleeping. Let's move you out of the way. So I'm launching scrcpy source copy or something. Before I was able to, I need to do some things in the machine, and this is what I followed, right? So the link is in there. I set USB debugging off. I can show you that already. So USB debugging should be on. How do you arrive at that thing? About phone, software information, and tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times on build number. It says here, you're now a developer. You see, you're now 3 steps away from being a developer. You have to press it, press it, press it, press it, press it, and then it starts counting down 3, 2, 1, and you are a developer. And then you can do this. And the point of the video is not all that. That's just to show you something. The thing is, I'm working on my machine, my own machine, right? On the touch screen, I go to Play Store. I wanted to show you something. Mullvad VPN, it's here, it's working. I'm living now in Belgium, I think. Oops, I'm living in Australia. I just forgot to do that. That's why my updates were so slow. Okay, done. So there's more, as you can see. NordVPN. I'm not a specialist. I'm just using it just for fun now. But it does feel that everything is a bit slower. Updating goes slower. But then again, I was supposedly to live in Australia, so yeah, it's normal that it's slower. Just want to check if this is working. Now, there is another thing already installed, that's AVG. And AVG has also a firewall, so I don't know what it's going to do. All stuff. People have a lot of stuff. And normally in July and August, I reset everything. I do a clean install, everything gone, and then just the apps you want, right? Because you keep on getting a collection of all these things. Okay, Mullvad VPN is safe to open. Thank you very much for checking that. But where is it? Mullvad, there it is. Zoom. No, not here. Not there. Not there. Not there. Here somewhere is good. Mullvad VPN. I need to have my key. Let me pause and type it in. Alright, so I logged in and it's going to say unsecured connection, the full Belgium, Sweden, secure my connection. You might be leaking traffic information, blah blah blah. Failed to secure connection. So like I said, this might have something to do with the fact that there is another system working, and I always say to my students as well, never install two antivirus applications on your system because they will fight with each other. So I guess that's what's happening. But nevertheless, you see there's an app, it's working, it's nice, it's simple. It also has these options here available. I have 28 days left to play around with it, and all the rest is this. Advanced. That. Yes, my font is a little bit bigger. Eyesight, right? That's why some of the font is falling off. Alright, enough of this. Just a quick tour on a Samsung S8 Plus, I think. Alright, cheers.